Hi, my name is Muhammad Jazran. I'm the first presenter in the group today. I'm going to present about the company that we interviewed like a few weeks ago. I'm not gonna read the text as script, but I'm gonna present very shortly. So basically, the company that we interviewed is Perusahaan Kompang dan Jido Mokhtar. By the name, you can guess is the owner itself is named Mokhtar. The company is very famous for producing fine-looking kompang with different variety in terms of size and designs. The company started to operate since 2006. This means the company has lasted for 17 years plus minus, showing how great the quality of the kompang production making the company can last its reputation for so long.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Manwar Ali Afrina binti Rosli and my matrix number is AA221356. So I will explain about system to operate the company. So to move forward with this project, Perusahaan Kompang and Jido Mokhtar were selected as the company for this project. So this is a result of the company producing kompang using a turning technique. In the industry of kompang, turning process is the most important process. This is because the process of making the rim of kompang from wood is done using a wood turning lathe. There are two types of materials used in making a kompang, such as goat skin and tree bark, which is called balu kompang. Certain types of wood with some qualities have been chosen which give good results. Although the wood itself is not heat to make any part of the music, a good quality of wood is chosen to withstand time. Dry wood is then attached to the lathe machine for the carving process to shape the frame. A lathe machine is used to carve the kompang frame, so the application of this machine is the making of the kompang. Besides saving plenty of time and energy, the lathe machine is handmade by them, it consists of an electric motor and gearbox to make the machine run smoothly. The machine has three sides that makes it easier to make kompang to get the shape precisely defined.
Hi, I am Hannah and I'm going to present about the manufacturing process of this kompang. So, the process of converting raw materials or parts into computed quantities through machinery, labors, chemicals, and tools is known as manufacturing. There are three steps involved in this process of manufacturing, which is the beginning, counting, and finishing phase. So, the first step involved is utilizing a table saw machine to cut a wooden board from a square shape to a half circular. Then the process of drying will be the second step. After that, the turning procedure will be executed. This section will be completed and carved following the rattle shape, followed by the section where the rope will be tied. And the last phase, which is the finishing phase, it will be drying, nailing, shaving off, extra skin, and apply paint or varnish will be the last one as the finishing touch. That's all from me, thank you.
When using a lathe machine to make a kompang, it is essential to follow certain safety and health procedures to ensure the well-being of the operator and those working in the vicinity. Firstly, wear appropriate personal protective equipment, which is PPE, such as safety glasses, a face shield, hearing protection, and appropriate clothing to protect against any flying debris and particles. Avoid wearing loose-fitting clothing or jewelry that can get caught in the machine. Second, ensure that the lathe machine is properly set up and maintained. Follow proper procedure for securing the workpiece and using cutting tools. Avoid placing hand on the work turning in the lathe and use machine guard to protect against contact with moving parts. Third, be mindful of integral hazard and ensure that the work area is clear of any obstruction. Keep the work area clean and are organized to prevent slip, trip, and fall. Furthermore, ensure the individual operating the latte machine are adequately trained and supervised to perform the task safely and effectively. Regularly inspect shop for wear or damage and keep all latte cutting tools sharp. Lastly, perform regular maintenance on the latte machine to keep it in a good working condition. Keep the floor around the latte clean and free oil and greasy. By following this safety procedure, the risk of accident and injuries while using latte machine can be minimal.
I'm going to talk about the expertise needed in compound making. To create a compound with high quality sound, these materials must be properly chopped, extended, and combined. Compound makers choose and arranges every piece of material with the same care and attention to detail as latte. Compound making requires carefully selecting and arranging components, just like latte, which requires precision and accuracy. This link between latte and compound making highlights the importance of accuracy and regularity in both processes. In order to produce high sound quality, compound measures like choosing the right wood, choosing premium animal hide, and combining these components need to be done carefully. A compound builder must integrate and organize these materials neatly to create a high quality musical instrument with a pleasing sound. Now, I'm going to talk about the expertise needed in compound making. To create a compound with high quality sound, these materials must be properly chopped, extended, and combined. Compound makers choose and arranges every piece of material with the same care and attention to detail as latte. Compound making requires carefully selecting and arranging components, just like latte, which requires precision and accuracy. This link between latte and compound making highlights the importance of accuracy and regularity in both processes. In order to produce high sound quality, compound measures like choosing the right wood, choosing premium animal hide, and combining these components need to be done carefully. A compound builder must integrate and organize these materials neatly to create a high quality musical instrument with a pleasing sound.